Hello guys, today we continue browsing through the code of AD Management application open source, and today I want to stop on this line and shoot this quick video as a reminder that from Laravel 9 there's alternative new syntax to write mailables. So this is a typical code of sending email to someone who created the server, put that into the queue, and this is a mailable class. So this is not new syntax, this has been since forever. But what is new syntax is in server provisioned mailable class, which is this one. We have envelope and content. So do you use that syntax? If we compare that to the older syntax of mail, so I've opened the documentation for Laravel 8 mail, you had to build the email with from and view, for example. There are more configurable things, but this was basically the syntax. And then in Laravel 9.35, they released this new syntax, while the old syntax is still supported from what I understand. And actually, I loved Laravel 9 intermediate versions because so many new features were released in Laravel 9.x. I talked about them a lot in my YouTube channel, and one of them was this mailable syntax. So what you can do now to write mailables, this is the documentation for Laravel 10 and the same for Laravel 9, it's separated. There's a function called envelope where you define all the things outside of email body. Envelope is quite a good name for that, I think. So from, address, and subject, for example, are defined here. And then separately, there's another function called content, which is about content. And in this case, you can define the view, the blade view. There can be also plain text, or in example of AD server management, we have markdown. So markdown view of email server provisioned looks like this. Resources views emails, and the text is in markdown using component, which is by default in Laravel, using some Laravel magic like routing, like variable of the server, which is actually passed here. And this is another thing to notice, public server server. This is not a Laravel thing, this is a PHP thing. I think it came in PHP 8.0 from what I remember, so you don't need to define the property here as public server. You just define public here, and then PHP automatically transforms that into this server variable inside of the class. So yeah, that's it. A quick video, just a reminder that there are two syntaxes for mailables. And do you use this new one of content and envelope, or do you prefer another way, or do you prefer sending notifications instead? Share your opinions in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.